Alright guys, got one that just came in with a busted mirror, and I didn't order the parts, but they ordered a whole mirror for us, so we're going to change that out. It's only got 3 bolts on the inside here. It's got these three little bolts in there. So these 3 bolts, there's one in here, and the mirror should come off, and it's got a wire in here. Should give me enough slack when I pull it out to unplug it. So let's get after it. Hopefully it got me the right side mirror. Usually they send the wrong side, so let's see what happens. When there's a cover, this cover just snaps off of here. Just pull it, and it's just got a clip on it right here. It just pulls right out. So let me go get some tools, and then we'll get these out and unplug it and put the new one on. Easy peasy. All right, they're 10 millimeters. There's 3 of them. You need a regular ratchet, an socket, an extension. Get them right out. Be right back. Alright, it looks like the door panel does have to come off. This piece, there's 2 Phillips head bolts in there. The wire's right here. Now if you get lucky and feed it back through there, it comes back up through here. I'm just going to take this door panel off. This had 2 7mm screws in it right here. And that's the wire for the mirror right here. Plugs in right here. So it's not too bad to get this panel off. Alright guys, they sent me the wrong mirror got ordered. They come in an 8 wire, which I need, and this they sent me a 5 wire. They sent me this. That's not going to work in this truck. So I'm going on vacation, so that's going to be it for this. This will be done before I get back, before I get the parts. So today's my last day. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. Y'all know what to do. See you.